was just overwhelmed with my boss. I don't even know where to begin with all the projects, and like we just got a partner, and it's just like well, we live in like Ariana. She lives in Archibald, I think.
Where's Archibald?
It's in Elkhorn somewhere.
Oh,
the dorm.
I thought you meant like I was like
I thought you said she was from Florida.
She's from Florida.
It's like Archibald, Florida.
She's gonna partner with like we have to pick off a list of a photojournalist and like research her life and somehow like present it in 10 to 15 minutes using PowerPoint. I've never used PowerPoint before. I know it's really easy or whatever, but it's
how have you never used PowerPoint?
I've never needed to.
It is.
I've always had like a partner that like knows how to do it, so she'll do that stuff. I'll write it. She'll put it together, something like that. And like, but like I don't even know where to start. She's like, oh, we'll do it. I was like, okay, but it's due Friday. Like it's a big project.
Yeah, well,
10 to 15 minutes.
Yeah, well, we have to do a 10 to 15 presentation at the end of the 3 weeks too. And our teacher was like, so
This
like
is Friday though. This isn't like.
Oh really?
Yeah. And my partner ran away, and so I wasn't able to like talk to him about like who we were actually doing.
Oh no! Oh my god!
So I'm like, okay, I guess we'll all do it tomorrow.
Yeah, I guess.
Could have stayed beside you, could have stayed for more.
You're recording this too? Yeah. My video camera is like right there. So I'm like, oh, okay, let's record it.
Oh god. It sucks.
Hey, what do you think happened? Huh?
The whole building's blowing up. We gotta get out.
Are you serious? Yeah.
Run!
This is the second time I've been out of college where like this has happened. Except the first time I was like 3 in the morning.
Oh.
So.
Bad luck. Bad
I was on like tech support with Verizon and I was like, there's a fire. It was so funny.
Oh, that guy's gonna Oh, sad. This is funny.
I think you're supposed to be on the sidewalk. I would not tell them. I'd just be like, yeah, just go.
Why would you tell somebody that you did it?
Like to stop the emergency and everything so that people can go back inside, but I would not.
No, I'd rather have the emergency.
I'd be so embarrassed.
A real life giver.